Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome back sa lahat ng Gemini at sa mga bago. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog. Love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa February 23 to 28 hanggang end na ng month. Alright. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Gemini na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you po. Sobrang appreciated. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing, by liking this video, and by engaging sa comments section. Ayun. Para mag-grow din yung channel ko at makagawa pa ako ng maraming love readings para sa inyo. So, thank you po. Yan, so ang gagawin natin ay bubunot ako ng isang card from this deck, which will be the overall reading, overall energy ng reading. Tapos sa dulo, bubunot ulit ako ng isang card to seal the energy. Sige, simulan na natin. Second card. Beginnings. Okay, so may bagong simula. At there's a fresh start when it comes to love. So pwedeng may bagong person, may bagong face. Okay, pero tingnan natin ano ba yung nakakabit na storya dito sa beginnings card na ito. Okay, just to remind everyone na this is a collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Kaya, kung hindi mag-resonate, huwag natin pilitin. It means na hindi ko nasagap yung energy nyo. Ay. Kaya, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading. Baka doon, mag-resonate na. Kaya, subscribe na para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Sige. So, bubunot ako ng 10 cards from this deck. Tapos, interpret natin siya. Okay, second card. 9 of Swords. Strength card. Queen of Wands. 7 of Wands. Queen of Pentacles. Ace of Wands, 3 of Cups, Queen of Cups, 7 of Swords, and 8 of Pentacles. Okay. So, tatlong queens ang lumabas. So, I can sense na very nurturing yung love, yung new love na darating sa inyo. Okay? And nagsimula siya sa 9 of Swords, nag-end siya sa 8 of Pentacles. Tingnan natin. And there's a strong energy of Leo in this reading. Okay, so pwedeng yun yung sign ng person ninyo. Doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na ito. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. So, 9 of Swords. So, in the recent past, I can sense na meron traumatic experience kayong encounter when it comes to love. Okay, so, and, kaya siguro lumabas tong beginnings card is that it's already in the past. Yeah, you experience it, pero naging strong ka, nag-heal ka, pinili mo na mag-heal, pinili mo na mag-move on, pinili mo na isang tabi na yung nakaraan na yun. That was the cause of this, parang trauma sa inyo pagdating sa love. Pero, yun nga, dahil nag-heal ka na, okay, you're, again, open now to new love. And as shown here, with the Queen of Wands, yung bagong person na dadarating sa buhay ninyo is someone na very charismatic. Alam mo yun, yung hindi, kahit kaibigan mo, mga kaibigan mo at kapamilya mo, magugustuhan siya. Kasi punong-puno tong tao na to ng charisma. At magkakaroon kayo ng very deep connection. Okay? And itong si Seven of Wands, as shown here, yun nga, yung mga challenges mo from the past, ma-overcome mo na rin siya. Okay? Dahil itong taong na to would support you in your healing, would support you sa fresh start na gustong mangyari when it comes to love. And ipapakita niyo yun through his or her care. And itong Queen of Pentacles, very nurturing energy siya. It will, this love will provide you so much comfort. And you can really depend on this person. Okay? As you can see here din yung sa image, how a mom takes care of her newborn baby, di ba? Yung iba yung alaga pag sanggol pa, di ba? Alam mong, of course, when a mom loves, it's eternal naman. Kahit malaki ka na. Pero iba pa rin, di ba? Yung parang times 2, times 3, yung nurturing and yung care na pinapakita, lalo na sa sanggol. Pero, ayun, may ganong energy yung person nyo na very caring talaga siya. And as shown here by the Ace of Wands, which is a card of new beginning. So, it just double confirm itong overall energy. So, Ace of Wands is a card of new beginning. So, magkakaroon ng panibagong simula. Three of Cups here. I can sense na itong taong darating will start as a platonic muna or friends muna kayo na made-develop into something romantic. Okay, itong si Queen of Cups as shown here, this person is really someone who will be so devoted sa inyo. Meron siyang emotional maturity, empathetic tong tao na to, di ba? Kaya ikasasaya nyo yung relationship, yung panibagong simula when it comes to love. And ayan, lumabas si Seven of Swords, which is a card of manipulation. Pero hindi siya literal na minamanipulate ka. Pero I guess dahil nga may traumatic experience ka in the past, you're trying to manipulate yung situation na alam mo yun, yung imbis na you just sort of go with the flow, enjoy the moment, enjoy this caring, nurturing energy from this person, di ba? Tinatry mo pa rin parang yung kahit meron kang parang energy pa rin from the past, di ba? So, you still try to really control the situation para hindi ka masaktan ulit. Parang tinatry mong i-manipulate yung situation in a way na lagi siyang dapat nag-a-align sa gusto mong mangyari. Kasi ayaw mo nang masaktan, medyo may traumatic experience ka. Pero nakikita naman dito sa Pentacles that this person is really committed to take care of you, to love you. Okay? Kaya you don't have to control the situation and manipulate. Just enjoy yung love, diba? Yung traumatic experience na yan, yun nga, mag-heal ka dahil nga sa love na ipaprovide nitong tao na to. Kaya, yeah, embrace mo yung new beginning, diba? Hindi mo na kailangang kontrolin pa yung mga sitwasyon. Okay? Sige, tingnan natin, ano ba yung traumatic experience na yun at bakit tinatry mo siyang i-control. Syempre, ayaw mo masaktan. Sino bang gustong masaktan ulit, diba? Kaya ka nag-i-aim ng new beginnings, diba? Kasi gusto mo ng fresh start, gusto mo ng new relationship na hindi ka na masasaktan ulit. Pero, tingnan natin. Bakit nagiging hindrance yung experience mo in the past. Second card. Seven of Coins. Okay. Okay, so si Seven of yung parang traumatic. Seven of Coins is medyo yun nga, yung nakaraan mo kasi sobrang kulang sa love at affection. And that's why it ended. It caused so much pain kasi feeling mo hindi ka minahal, hindi ka pinili. So yun, so naging traumatic sa'yo yun, yung experience na yun. Pero don't let it have an effect or don't let it affect the current situation. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? Very nurturing to. 3 queens yung lumabas. Very nurturing yung energy nung new person. Tapos, alam mo lang na mangibabaw yung traumatic experience. So, just then, enjoy and experience love and start anew. Yan, simulan mo na. Simulan mo na rin na i-experience itong new love. Okay, sige, seal natin itong reading with another card. Truth, diba? Ito yung, so yun, that's the truth. Diba? Totoo naman, parang, diba? Totoo naman na naka-experience ka ng hindi maganda. Pero totoo rin na may bagong love na darating. Totoo rin na makaka-experience ka ng better love life. Diba? Hindi naman laging magiging ganun yung sitwasyon. So, claim nyo na itong energy, beginnings and truth. Comment nyo na sa baba, lalo na if nag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, stay positive. Okay? Alright? It's a good reading for me. Diba? So, past is past, present is present, and enjoy every moment of it. Okay? So, abangan na lang ulit ang susunod ko pang love reading. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay. Ako nga pala muli, si Mystico Moreno at kita-kits dito lang mismo. Ingat!